Welcome back to Tremaine University. Today we're going to learn how to upload your documents or disclosures to your listing. So let's get the MLS open and click on the Add Edit tab, at which point let's drop down and find your name under the Agent menu and click Edit on your listing. You can find the Documents tab in the upper left-hand corner, at which point we want to add documents. And you can name these documents. So we're likely going to be uploading disclosures here. So let's name it 123 Banana Street Disclosures. And then we're going to find those disclosures on your computer by hitting the blue Choose button. It's going to bring open the file folder on your computer, at which point you can find your documents on your computer, your disclosures, your lead-based paint, etc. And let's click the blue upload button in the middle of the screen. That's going to upload those documents to the MLS. But wait, we're not done. We have to click submit, upper right hand corner, and you are successful.